Let's walk through how to generate a UML class diagram using the Visual Paradigm AI Chatbot. We'll start by creating a class diagram for a human resource system. The AI generates the initial diagram, and everything looks good so far. Next, let's ask the chatbot to rename the employee class to staff. The class is updated instantly, and all related attributes and references across the diagram are adjusted automatically. Now we want to add a new attribute, status, along with its getter and setter methods in the staff class. After asking the chatbot, the diagram updates again, and the new attribute appears exactly where it should. Once the diagram looks complete, we can click Import to Visual Paradigm to bring it directly into our project. Here's the imported diagram, ready for further refinement and editing using Visual Paradigm's full toolset. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Thanks for watching.